Good evening, Miss Danusha and Miss Kamala.
Good evening, Mr. Surya and Ms. Kamla.
Nice to meet you, Ms. Tansha and Mr. Surya.
As you already known about the redesigning of our office space, the architect already gave the plan to the manager. There are two styles to choose. Style A is an open plan office and style B is building a glass office. What do you think about?
In my opinion, I recommended an open place office, which is type A, because it's very friendly and easy to communicate with each other. The place are very comfortable to the workers. The main point is good for networking place, which means the good networking is helpful to the workers to do their works very quickly, and they might enjoy the prime office environment without any heavy problems, which is rental cost. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree with you, Miss Danusha.
I think we should look into building close type because there have many advantages. One of the most important advantages of a close layout is the privacy it provides to its employees. The privacy provided by the close layout allows the employees to have their own area where they can think and do work without any distraction. The closed layout provides a distraction-free environment to its employees where they can work without any disturbances from outside. The employees can work without any interruption that can sometimes make intentionally and can focus more on their work. This helps the employees in increasing their productivity. I'm not sure that open plan office not suited for our office environment. Employees have difficulty focusing in a noisy atmosphere. Open workspace can cut into productivity. This can impact that employee and our company. Moreover, sickness and infection can spread like wildfire in an environment like an open office. For example, when flu season hits you, can bet that most employees will catch it.
I don't think so, Miss Kamala. In style B, there is no communication amongst the employees in the company and they are less united. Some more, the style B is an old fashioned and this generation might not interested.
The style A is better than style B because it's worth it and it's only need limited money and furniture to the complete the style A.
Yes, I
I,
agree with you, Miss Danusha.
I really like it, your idea, Dhanusha. I agree that style is the best for our office.
So finally, we made a conclusion by selecting style A and thanks for your opinion, Miss Danusha and Kamala.
Thank you, Ms. Dhansha
Thank
and
you.
Mr. Surya.
Thank you, Mr. Surya and Ms. Kamala.